Guys, I better not look on the screen and tell me how much you think I actually pay to prepare this meal. Yesterday, I take up myself got a store. So I go buy yam, banana, and piece of salt mackerel for cook some salt mackerel rundown today. And you want to tell me say a 9.99 for a pound of yam? I want to know how pound of yam little bit. So if I buy 2 pound of yam at $20, I go pay for it. No, brother, that not make no sense. You see, anything you see me put on the plate these days, that way I work with. If a sauce of dumpling, that me I work with. No vegetable, that way I work with. And 22 and 2 cents for the mackerel I buy. Every time I take up a piece, it get dearer. So I just put them back down and take up the cheapest piece of mackerel and come on my yard. Because why? You know, make no sense. So anything you see on the plate these days, that way I work with. Maybe I'm me cheap, Don't make me know if I'm me cheap. But yeah, this are the dish and I hope you enjoy it. I make a sooner guys. Me no know maybe next week. Bye.